Welcome to this explainer. Ever wonder why our metabolism slows down as we get older? Let's find out.
Think of your metabolism as a busy recycling center. Over time, it gets completely clogged with cellular junk.
When old mitochondria, our cellular power plants, pile up, that recycling center just grinds to a total halt.
This clogged system fast-tracks aging, but an optimized one. It delivers massive energy and rapid cellular repair.
The fix is mitophagy. It's how your body literally scraps broken mitochondria to make room for fresh ones.
So how do we trigger this? Well, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, effectively scraps those old mitochondria.
Cold exposure is another incredible trigger. It fires up brown adipose tissue, kickstarting that targeted mitochondria process.
Just look at the bowhead whale. It thrives in freezing Arctic waters for over 2 centuries. Insane, right?
Their secret? CIRB. It's a cold-activated protein that flawlessly repairs DNA breaks to keep their genome totally stable.
And guess what? Boosting CIRP in human cells doubles DNA repair. Cold thermogenesis activates this exact same process.
But once we scrap the junk, how do we rebuild? We desperately need top-quality, fresh building materials. This is where VILAVI steps in. T8 EXTRA 90% delivers vital natural bioregulators right to your cells. The magic is the CIB-XP complex, 90% polyprenols mixed with fur cell juice and coniferous paste.
Inside you, those polyprenols convert into dolichols, which directly repair and reinforce your damaged mitochondrial cell membranes.
This guards against oxidative stress, securing a continuous supply of ATP energy and highly bioavailable iron.
Here's the daily VILAVI protocol. Simply dissolve a 2 milliliter serving of T8 EXTRA in room temperature water. Never use hot water, then combine it with Mobio Plus to brilliantly support brand new mitochondrial growth.
HIIT and cold clear the junk while VILAVI rebuilds. Are you ready to finally unclog your metabolism?